Welcome to How to Use Groups in PBIS Rewards. Let's review the basic group features. From your home screen, click on the Groups tab from the left side menu. Here you will see that groups that you are an owner of or groups that you have favorited. We can also go to the All User Groups to search and locate other staff members' groups. If you click the orange star, this will favorite the group at the top of your dashboard and on your PBIS Rewards staff app. This is helpful for teachers who work with multiple groups throughout the day. Now, to create a group, click the green plus sign and enter the group name, subject, and any additional group owners. Today, I'll be making my third period math group. So my subject will be math and I have no additional owners. We will save this. And now your group is created, but you will need to add all of the students. If you click the green plus sign again, you will search here to add all of the students in this group. Once you have searched and added your students in your group, click Save. There are several features available from this groups page. To reward the entire class, click Select All Students, and then select the expectations that were demonstrated. For example, I click 3 for respect and 2 for responsibility, and then click Reward. You can see that all the students in the class were rewarded points. You can also individually reward students by selecting their card and then the expectation. Only those 2 students were rewarded points. Now let's say you need to choose a student at random to be a helper for the day. Click Select All Students and then Random at the top. This will randomly choose a student for you. If at any time you need to make group changes, click Settings and then Edit Group. From here, you can add or remove students, add a group image, edit the owners, or the group name and subject. Thank you for watching this video on basic group features. Come back to our next video to review the advanced group features, and if you have any questions, please reach out to tech@navigate360.com. We will see you in the next video.